In this video we will learn about issue creation. Once the issue management module is set up, all Super Sales users can now create issues, complaints which will be sent to the issue owners for resolution with CC to concerned people. How to create an issue? From the hamburger menu, go to Issue Management under HR Tasks. To add a new issue, click on blue plus button which opens the Add Issue form. First give a title to the issue by which it will be referred to in the system. Next select the main category and subcategory of the issue. The assignee, CC of the issue and the duration, TAT, will be automatically picked from the master, but it will allow the user to edit the duration in case the issue is very urgent. It is optional to select customer, product details for the issue. Select the customer from the drop-down if the issue is a complaint of a particular customer. If issue is related to a particular product, you can select the product from the product drop-down and the quantity which is impacted. If the product is a consumer durable or a machine, you can enter serial numbers for the quantity selected. Example. If the quantity is 3, you can enter 3 serial numbers with comma separated. Next write a description of the issue so that it is clear to the person who has to resolve it. Set the priority of the issue as high, medium, low. Finally, you can attach a picture, video of the issue from camera or from gallery. Submit the issue so that it appears on the dashboard of the owner. A notification from Super Sales and email is triggered to the owner in the CC of the issue upon creation. A unique ID or issue no is allotted to each issue upon creation. For any Super Sales user, he gets his issue dashboard which has a list of status of all open issues. The dashboard is divided in 3 tabs: created by me, assigned to me, CC to me. All issues that I create come under the Created by Me tab. All issues created by other users but assigned to me as the owner of the issue come under Assigned to me. Similarly, issues CC to me come under CC to me tab. Edit, update issue status. From the issue list, I can click on any issue to view the issue. If I am the creator, I can edit the issue and make any changes to the form I submitted while adding an issue. If I am assignee of the issue, I get buttons at the bottom of the issue page to update issue status. While updating issue status, I can close the issue or keep it open. I can write a description of the status update and also attach a picture or video about the status update. This will send a notification to the creator, other co-owners and CC about the change in status with the description and picture. This change will also update the dashboard of all concerned users with the issue details. While viewing the issue, all the status updates history for the issue will be visible in the issue form. Color codes of the issues in the dashboard. Red means issue is still pending for resolution. Yellow means issue status has been updated but not yet closed. Green means issues has been closed by assignee but pending closure by creator. Issue closure. Once the assignee closes the issues, it will need to be also closed by creator so that it goes out of the pending issues list. Closed issues will be visible under the history option. Thanks for watching.